what a better way to end today's session than with a refreshing drink of no alcohol, no added sugar mojito. Glyn, pour us a glass.
Absolutely, no problem.
Whilst Glyn is serving it, Danielle, what are the hero ingredients that you would like to call out?
So we've got two different ingredients in here. We have our stevia glycoside, which is the Bio Reb M. So as I mentioned before, this is our most sugar-like stevia glycoside. So it really helps with getting the no added sugar claim. Plus we don't have any of the after notes that people always say, you know, if you say stevia, they say, bitterness, metallic aftertaste. So we don't have any of that with the Reb M. And we also have the NSF, which is our natural stevia flavouring, declared as natural flavouring, but really helps in the build-up to the sweetness and also the lingering notes as well. So working together just to give you a full sugar replacement.
Fabulous. Yeah.
Okay, ladies.
Thank you very much, Glyn. Yeah. So it has been our absolute pleasure to be presenting our healthy menu today. We hope that we have really targeted some of your challenges and gave you some inspiration. So with this, cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.